Hello everyone, I'm excited to have you all on this session. I'm sure most of you heard about last year's biggest IPO in software history. It was Snowflake and for good reasons. In this session, we are going to explore what makes it unique, a brief about its features, and we will also look at a couple of reference architectures to build high performance analytical solutions using Snowflake. Let's get started. My name is Sanjay Kattimani and I'm a solution architect by profession. I've been using Snowflake for over 3 years now. I'm a Snowpro certified and also a data superhero of Snowflake. Whenever we are choosing a modern analytical solution, we almost always come across these fundamental questions. Can our underlying architecture scale to meet the needs of our fast growing business? Can our product ingest and analyze large amounts of structured as well as semi structured data together? And most importantly, can we accomplish these goals while remaining operationally efficient and cost effective? Welcome to Snowflake. Snowflake is single integrated platform delivered as a service. It features storage, compute, and global services layer that are physically separated but logically integrated. Data workloads scale independently from one another, making it an ideal platform for data warehousing, data lakes, data engineering, data science, modern data sharing, and developing data applications. Let's quickly look at what makes Snowflake's architecture so unique. Snowflake's centralized data storage layer is designed to support sub-second query response times against multi-petabyte table sizes without explicitly partitioning the data. Snowflake also provides native support for semi-structured data types such as JSON. In addition, Snowflake fully supports ACID transactions with fast insert updates, delete merge operations. Your data is also highly secure with Snowflake's many built-in security features. Snowflake encrypts all data at rest and in transit. Snowflake's computing layer is fully decoupled from storage layer and runs virtually any number of workloads on their own dedicated computing clusters, even if these workloads access the same underlying data. Dedicating computing resources for each workload avoids the drawbacks of running all workloads on a single large cluster, such as having a queue to drop workloads or engage in the costly and time consuming effort of increasing compute capacity. With Snowflake, computing resources are independently sized based on need of each workload. And Snowflake provides a usage based pay by the second business model with zero cost when a workload is automatically suspended. Snowflake's cloud services manage client sessions, metadata, transactions, query planning, security governance, and other services. It is also highly scalable tier. Snowflake supports thousands of customers' accounts and hundreds of millions of queries each and every day. With each of these layers being independently scalable, whole Snowflake ecosystem becomes highly scalable to meet all modern analytical systems demands. Now let's explore some of the features of Snowflake. Snowflake separates compute and storage so you can scale each of these independently and cost effectively. Snowflake automatically scales compute resources up and down for near infinite concurrency without impacting the performance or having to reshuffle data. These compute resources are needed to query, ingest, or for most of the other data operations. Align costs with your product margins with pay per second compute pricing and avoid paying for idle resources. Ingest and immediately start querying JSON, Parquet, Avro, ORC, and XML data without defining schemas in advance. Deploy on any cloud regions with global replication for high availability, data durability, and disaster recovery. With zero copy cloning feature, you can quickly create sandboxes and develop pilots with live data but without the cost of copying and moving the data. A great use case of this feature is to create a replica of production environment in a matter of seconds to troubleshoot the issue without incurring any additional cost or time to recreate an exact copy. Time travel lets you easily access historical data after it has been modified or deleted for a period of up to 90 days. With a wide variety of connectors and drivers, you can integrate easily with native clients and connectors, including ODBC, JDBC, Node, Python, .NET, Go, Spark, and Kafka. Use SQL for all your data, structured or semi-structured, including support for joins across the data types, databases, and external tables. You can extend Snowflake with in-engine JavaScript functions to perform custom calculations. Automate the steps to transform and optimize continuous data loads with Snowpipe and third-party data tools. Share live data easily and securely with your partners, but without copying or moving the data to ensure a single source of truth across your ecosystem. It also offers security features to protect your customers' data with role-based access controls and data encryption at rest and in transit. Partner Connect lets you easily create trial accounts with selected Snowflake business partners and integrate these accounts with Snowflake. Fivetran is one of the integration partners who provide connectors to Salesforce, Google Analytics, and many other such standard. ThoughtSpot is another one that integrates very easily with your Snowflake and creates AI-driven analytics on your data. Metillion is a great ETL tool on the cloud. DataOps by Datalytics is another great tool that provides end-to-end orchestration, environment management, CI/CD pipelines, automated testing, and ELT wrapped in one elegant UI. Snowflake's marketplace is an online transactional location or store that facilitates buying and selling of data. A data marketplace is more a public form of data sharing and sometimes commercial or monetized too. Live COVID-19 dataset is one of the most popular dataset on Snowflake's marketplace. I tried this data set a couple of months ago and I could query and figure out a number of details such as how many COVID patients are there in a given zip code, or which country has the most COVID recoveries in a given time period. You could also combine this with the number of hospital beds available in a given zip code and figure out how many hospitals are running out of beds. You could also chart out projections based on available data to predict the future scenarios. It was very interesting. That was just one of the example, but then you can also see there are a number of categories and you will find dataset on each of these. There are a number of such interesting datasets available on Snowflake's data marketplace. Again, the consumer will be paying for the compute, whereas the storage is already paid for by the owner of this dataset. With this good understanding about the features and architecture of Snowflake, let's take a look at a couple of reference architectures to create high-performance analytical solutions using Snowflake. Customer's 360-degree view architecture is one of the most widely used architecture to build sales and marketing applications that use historical and real-time data to accomplish 360-degree view of customer goals such as finding new segments and sending personalized offers. In this architecture sample, we have cloud object storage that stages application data such as data on products, audiences, purchase attributions, and user activity for ingestion. A streaming service ensures reliable and continuous ingestion by buffering event data such as click streams. ETL services orchestrate the workflow to load data from cloud object storage into Snowflake. Snowflake secure data sharing enables data from third-party sources to be used without copying or moving the data. Snowflake supports all analytical workloads within the application. External tables support queries of data in cloud object storage without ingestion. Streams and tasks features automate the ingestion and data enrichment process. Native support for JSON and other semi-structured formats simplifies the data ingestion of event data. Secure data sharing enables monetization of fresh data without copying or moving the data. Machine learning models are trained to optimize offers based on historical data stored in Snowflake. The application can make real-time predictions via an API and uses Snowflake tables to store input data, and batch prediction results. Application health and security analytics reference architecture analyzes large volumes of log data to identify security threats and monitor application health. The application and its infrastructure log large volumes of event data that can be used to monitor application health and detect malicious behavior. Log collection and aggregation systems centralize log data from multiple sources and deliver it to streaming services or to cloud object storage. Streaming service buffers log data to ensure reliable and continuous ingestion. Depending on which log collector and aggregation system is used, data can be staged in cloud object storage without the need for streaming service. Snowflake stores and analyzes the log data, which can be saved for long period at commodity storage prices. Snowflake with auto ingest automates the ingestion from cloud object storage. Scheduled task invoke SQL based queries to detect suspicious behavior or application health concerns. External rule based alerting systems such as Snow Alert can detect suspicious activity or health concerns. Operations teams can monitor the application via dashboards or ad hoc queries. A messaging service such as Amazon's SNS or Twilio uses email, SMS, or push notifications to notify operations teams of events that require attention. Security information and event management systems such as Splunk can leverage data in Snowflake for advanced searching and alerting capabilities. This reference architecture is for Internet of Things to build applications that analyze large volumes of time series data from IoT devices and respond in real time. Smart devices, sensors, and other IoT devices generate continuous data. Due to frequent unreliable internet connectivity, IoT devices communicate using MQTT protocol and IoT message broker. The message broker uses publish and subscribe mechanism to interact with other services which subscribe to the specific topics within the broker and access the service data. A streaming service is used to ingest and buffer real-time device data, thus ensuring reliable ingestion and delivery to a staging table in Snowflake. In cases where the application requires it, cloud object storage is used to stage batch data prior to ingestion. For example, IoT device may be sending data every second, but it may get aggregated over longer period and may be stored in Snowflake. Snowflake offers native support for JSON and other semi-structured data formats for easy ingestion of IoT device data. Snowpipe automatically optimizes time series queries by ingesting data chronologically. Snowflake's streams and tasks features automate the workflows required to ingest and aggregate incoming data. An IoT rules engine hosts the business logic required by the application and operates on data available in Snowflake and in the message broker. The rules engine sends messages back to control the devices. Our next reference architecture, machine learning and data science, is to train machine learning models to build predictive applications such as recommendation engines. Application produces training data which Snowflake ingests via streaming services or via cloud storage. The streaming service buffers the training data to ensure reliable and continuous ingestion. When cloud object storage is used, the streaming service batches training data into larger chunks to lower API storage expenses. Snowflake ingests data into staging tables. When new data is detected, the streams and tasks features schedule required transformations. Multiple streams and tasks can be chained to implement complex data pipelines. External tables support queries of data in cloud object storage without ingestion. Data scientists can create zero-copy clones of the training data to support feature engineering and experimentation. Using the data stored in Snowflake, data scientists train models with machine learning platforms and available libraries. Once the model artifacts are trained, they are deployed on training platforms or on separate processes to support predictions. Moving on to the next architecture, that is serverless data stack. This architecture is for data-intensive applications that run on serverless infrastructures. The client-side apps running on mobile or web devices invokes the application logic on the serverless compute via API gateway service. The gateway service authenticates the API calls and throttles them if needed based on SLAs. Serverless compute runs the application logic and scales on demand without the need for provisioning or managing the servers. The application queries the Snowflake data for runtime decisions such as delivering product recommendations or powering the dashboard for analysis. An OLTP or NoSQL database provides the application with high capacity transaction processing. This NoSQL or OLTP database can also be a serverless service. An ETL serverless stack orchestrates the workflow and loads transaction data into Snowflake. Snowflake ingests data in batches or in streams and makes it available to the application for queries. Snowflake scales automatically to keep pace with the data pipeline and ensures data is always fresh. Workloads are isolated in virtual warehouses where they can run and scale concurrently without resource contention. That was about serverless data stack. And now moving on to the last reference architecture, which is on streaming data stack to build data intensive applications that rely on streaming data ingestion and analysis. The producer application generates continuous data that the streaming service ingests and buffers to account for data rate differences between the producer and consumers. Depending on the application's needs, Snowflake ingests data directly from the streaming service or via cloud object storage. Snowflake ingests data from the streaming service into staging table and stores streamed data for analysis. Multiple streams and tasks can be chained to implement complex data pipelines. Snowpipe with auto ingest automates the data ingestion from cloud object storage. Regardless of what type of applications you build or what architectural design patterns you select, you must meet the core data platform requirements for scalability and connectivity if you want to attract and keep customers to grow your business. With Snowflake, you can meet customer expectations with modern foundation of your data stack that delivers a highly performant service both now and in future. That's it about the reference architectures. To conclude it, this 30-minute session was intended to generate enough curiosity in you about Snowflake and by no means to cover every architectural details. If you haven't started your Snowflake journey, I highly suggest you to try it out with 30-day trial account. I'm sure you will love it. Signup.snowflake.com lets you register on Snowflake site and use their trial account. Thank you all for joining my session today. I'm available on social media and you can easily find me with my first name and last name. That is Sanjay Kattimani. I'm available on YouTube, LinkedIn and Twitter. I would love to connect with you. Questions and answer session is coming up shortly. Looking forward to talk to you all. Thank you.